In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a post on Instagram. Really simple to do. So what you want to do is open up your Instagram, and you should just be at your home page with your feed and all that stuff. So what you want to do is swipe right, and that's going to bring you to a bunch of options, and you want to make sure that you choose post, and it's going to bring up your camera roll and things like that. So I'm just going to choose this picture here, and I'm going to hit next. So once you have your photo, you can go through and you have a lot of options here. So you can hit this button on the right and adjust your brightness and your contrast and things like that. You can also hit the fourth button in, and that's going to give you a bunch of filters that you would want to choose if you want to. Really kind of make your photo your own. You can do that with photos, and then you can also put your own font on there. So I'm just going to type in Christmas time. That will autocorrect. And then you can change your font and your colors and stuff like that. So after have your photo and you do what you want to do with it, you would hit next. And from here, this is a very familiar screen for most. So you can just write a caption in. I'm just going to write in Christmas time. And then I'm going to hashtag Clark Griswold. And that, that'll come up there. You can add people, you can add music, tag stuff, put a location in, anything that you really want to do. And then you would hit share. And then your post would share, and it should come up on your Instagram. And there you go. Now my Instagram post is live. It's a picture. It's the right caption that I chose. And if you go to your profile, you would then see it here just like this. So I hope the video helps, and we'll see you next time.